What if I told you that forged trade documents could be detected in seconds? No manual verification, no back and forth emails, no sleepless nights. Welcome to the future of international trade, where blockchain technology eliminates fraud before it ever happens. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to build it using Power Automate. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll see something that could save your business millions in losses. Here's the reality. Global trade moves over $11 trillion annually. But here's the problem. Document forgery costs businesses over $300 billion every year. Companies still rely on manual verification, PDF scanning, and email chains. It's slow, it's error-prone, and it's expensive. What if you could automate this entire process? What if you could verify that a document hasn't been tampered with ever using blockchain's immutable ledger? That's exactly what we're going to build today. Here's how it works. Your trade document enters the system. Could be an invoice, bill of lading, or commercial certificate. The system instantly creates a cryptographic hash. Think of it as a unique digital fingerprint. This fingerprint proves the document's authenticity and integrity. That fingerprint gets registered on the blockchain network with a timestamp. It's permanent, it's immutable, it can never be altered. When the document is reviewed later, days, months, or years from now, the system rehashes it. If the new hash matches the blockchain record, the document is 100% verified. No tampering, no forgery. Our Power Automate workflow intelligently routes documents. If verified, automatic approval pathway. If any discrepancy, escalation to compliance teams instantly. It's completely automated. It's intelligent. And it's running 24/7. Let's see it in action. Here, I'm submitting a trade document through the system. Watch what happens. The document enters our workflow. The system generates a hash. It registers on the blockchain with timestamp. Now, let's verify a document that's already on the blockchain. Same document, rehashed, compared against blockchain. Message. Document verified successfully. No tampering detected. Hash matches perfectly. That's it. In milliseconds, we've proven beyond any doubt that this document is authentic. Who benefits from this? International traders. Instantly verify supplier documents. Detect forged invoices before payment. Customs and compliance. Automate customs clearance. Reduce document verification time from hours to seconds. Financial institutions. Banks use this to verify trade finance documents. Eliminates letter of credit fraud. Supply chain companies track document authenticity across the entire supply chain, transparency from origin to delivery. Insurance and logistics verify bills of lading authenticity, reduce claim fraud dramatically. Real world example: a major export company implemented this and reduced document processing time from 3 days to 3 minutes. That's a 97% reduction in turnaround time. This isn't the future of trade. It's the present. And now you know how to build it. If you want the complete Power Automate flow, the blockchain API integration guide, and deployment steps, link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automation game changers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.